Hello everyone, I'm Rupert and let us talk about money. Today, I want to talk about maid insurance, also known as domestic worker insurance. If you're hiring a maid in Singapore, this is not optional, it's mandatory. In Singapore, life is fast-paced. Most families are juggling with work, kids, elderly parents, and daily commitments. For many households, having a maid is no longer a luxury, it's a practical necessity. But once you hire a maid, under Singapore law, you are officially considered her employer. That means you're responsible not just for her salary, but also for medical bills, safety, and certain legal liabilities. If something happens, the responsibility and the cost falls on you. That's why maid insurance exists, not to make things complicated, but to protect you financially and legally when unexpected situations happen. Let me quickly walk you through the three benefits required by MOM. First, the $5,000 security bond. This is compulsory. If you don't buy it through an insurance policy, you will need to top up $5,000 cash directly to MOM. Most employers choose the insurance option because it's more practical. One important point, different insurers submit the bond at different timing, so always apply at least 1 week in advance to avoid delays in your maid's arrival. Second, personal accident coverage. This covers accidental death, permanent disability, and medical expenses due to accidents. Accidents can happen even at home, and we must remember, high-rise living, electrical appliances, and daily routines in Singapore may be very different from what your maid is used to back home. Third, medical insurance. Maids are human too. They can fall sick and require hospital treatment. Healthcare in Singapore is not cheap. This coverage helps pay for hospitalization, medical expenses incurred locally, so you don't end up with a large, unexpected bill. Beyond the mandatory coverage, many insurers also offer additional benefits. They are actually very useful. One is maid's personal liability. If your maid accidentally injures someone or damage property, you, as an employer, may be held legally responsible. This coverage helps with the legal costs and compensation. Another is wages compensations. If your maid is hospitalized and unable to work, this benefit compensates you for the loss of service, which many families underestimated. And lastly, repatriation expenses. This applies only in serious situations such as permanent disability, severe illness, or death, not holidays. It helps cover the cost of sending your maid home or returning her remains if she passes away. As a wealth planner, I always see my role like a financial doctor. Understand the risk first, then prescribe the right protection. Maid insurance is not about buying the cheapest plan. It's about making sure you are properly covered before something happens. A common question I get from employer is this: can I renew my maid insurance if her passport has expired? You want to guess? The answer is yes, as long as she is not traveling. Passport renewal is only required if she plans to travel home or travel overseas with you. And one important reminder, a domestic worker's passport is not as strong as a Singapore passport, as Singapore passport is the strongest in the world. So some countries may require you to apply for a visa on her behalf. Maid insurance may be mandatory in Singapore, but choosing the right coverage can save you a lot of stress and money later. If you want to learn more about protecting your family and your finance, follow or subscribe for more practical money content. I'm Rupert, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.